Hi everyone, it's me again, Sugar. Today's video is all about the unboxing of my new Alienware TactX keyboard. So just got it today, and I'm just gonna. So there you go. That's the keyboard right there. So what's inside? It comes with a CD. So the bad thing about this one is it use up to 2 USB slots here. So one is for the power and the other one is for the light power. So we got the palm rest right here. Let's start to open this. So that's a keyboard right there. Looks really cool. That's the back side. Too much more. So let's try to plug the USB. Let's to see how the color looks like. So that's the lighting effect there. I just plug it into the USB. So you need 2 USB slots to power on the light and to use the keyboard. So that's how the light effect looks like. It's really nice with those alien symbol right there. So thanks guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. This is the unboxing of my new Alienware TactX keyboard. Got it for around $120. So it's a really awesome keyboard. So thanks guys for watching. See you guys later. Bye.